like this. Last one. We slip one, knit one, do yarn over. So after again we start 1, 2, third stitch, and this one we pick up, take over this 2 stitch. So again do yarn over, knit 1, 2, third stitch. So this one we just pull up with this, yarn over. At the end of the row we have 1 stitch, we knit, last stitch we just pull half the stitch. Row 4 we slip 1, total all the stitches. So we repeat this 4 rows to the desired length. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show how to knit this simple beautiful 4 rows stitch. This is easy, fast to knit